Where do you see this blurring of the lines, I guess, for lack of a better term, among traditional industry segments? Where do you see it leading us?
I think when I think about the future, I wish I was 20 years younger, Bob, because I think this is just an amazing industry to be in. I've been in it 30 years. You've been in a long time. And when we first started, it was really cash driven. Okay. And quarters and price increases were difficult, things like that. Making store owners more profitable was a challenge in some cases with raising prices and things like this. I think with the technology piece, it's going to make life easier for all of us. And I also think for the end user, you're going to have a better experience at those stores. I mean, you look around the country and you see what product is being put out by a lot of distributors, okay, and store owners. It's amazing to me because you and I can go back and look at what we thought was cutting edge 20 years ago and
Right.
see where it's really evolved with the colors, the way the store design is, the size of the equipment. I mean, so for me, I get excited about that. The only thing I said is I wish I was 20 years younger.